Good evening, everyone. We are going to wait for another 5 minutes and then we will start with our session.
কি মরে গেছিস ও ভাই? আচ্ছা, তোকে একবার দেখা যাবে।
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Srijana Das, one of the core members of Hack4Bengal. Hack4Bengal had many pre-hackathon sessions, but the excitement of hackathon is at another level. I hope you all have already formed your teams and started working on your ideas. And why not? There are a lot to learn and lot to win. But before starting the session, let me remind you once again that Hack4Bengal never misses swags and surprises. So we have some quiz and exclusive GitHub t-shirts to give away. So stay till the end. Anyways, let us start with the most awaited session, getting started with GitHub by none other than Manish Kumar Barnwal, who is one of our lead organizer of Hack4Bengal, LFX Mentee 21, Open Daylight, Beta Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador, and our GitHub campus expert. I hope, Manish, you are here.
Yeah. Hi, everyone.
You can continue with the session.
Yeah.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Cool. Thanks, Srijana. Okay. Just confirm me. Am I audible and visible both?
You're not
You're
visible.
audible and visible.
Yeah.
Okay. Great. Entire screen. Okay. Is my screen visible? Just confirm me.
Yes, your screen is visible.
Okay. Thanks everyone for joining today. I hope you had a great weekend. So our today's topic is getting started with Git init. And I will not waste much time on my intro. It's already okay. So our today's learning outcomes will be, after this session you can expect all. Yeah. Okay, sorry, so just a second. Is it fine now? All right, cool. So this is our learning outcomes. After this session, you will be able to familiar with learning like basic Linux commands. You can realize the importance of version control system. You will be able to use Git and track your code, and also you will able to push and pull the code from GitHub, and be able to send a PR
Hello.
properly to an existing GitHub repositories. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah. Hello. Hello. Volunteers, is there any issue?
Manish, I guess you're muted, please.
Yeah, I have muted. Oh, all right. This is fine now, I guess. Yeah. Okay, so I will take questions at different interval, like after every topic is.
I guess there is some network issues. We are trying to fix it up very soon. Please stay tuned with us.
Hello, guys. Sorry for the internet issues. Yeah. Am I audible now? Hello, everyone.
Yeah, you're
Yes, you
audible,
are.
visible.
Okay, cool. Sorry for this. Okay. So like, I guess I have completed this much, I guess, right? Can you mute and unmute? I guess I am audible. Okay, so this is the flow of this event. You can raise your doubts at the intervals I will give you, and there will be hands-on sessions. So I hope that you have already installed that Git bash and like Git bash and VS Code, like as the instruction was given on your email address. So okay, so let's start with this. Become a terminal ninja. Let me just show you the terminal. We will do everything, like most of the thing on the terminal only. So I hope you all have installed Git bash. Just confirm on the chat that you have already installed Git bash. Yeah, cool. Also, if you have not installed Git bash, then here's the link. I will ask volunteers to paste on the chat, and then we'll start. Okay, so you just need to install Git bash. It's a very like simple process, and let me tell you, I will just show you some basic commands of Linux terminal, and so that you will be able to use it very smoothly. Okay, so I hope maximum of you have already installed. I can see the chat. Okay, so then you guys can note this, because I have not included these things on my slides, but you can always note this down, or you can easily find it on internet, like basic commands of Linux. Okay, so pwd, this is the first command. Like the pwd means present directory, where we are working right now. Directory means folder in your language, or we commonly used. Like I am right now, I am in home, and the folder name is Manish Barnwal. Okay, and then there are directories, you can also create directly from terminal, and also you can check the files are there, how many files are there in the directories. Okay, there are multiple commands. Suppose I am in home, I'm Manish Benwal, and if I want to switch on desktop, first let's check, like ls is the command to list down all the folders and directories I have in my folders. Okay, so ls will list down every directories there in my Manish Banwal folder. So here it is. And if you want to switch directory, like we have a command cd, that is for change directory. I hope the font is very clear to you. Like it's enough to see and see the command, I hope. Can anyone from team confirm this?
Yes, it's visible.
Okay, great. So like cd is the command, and then you need to write like initials of the folder you want to switch, and just click on tab. Then it will automatically show the desktop, and then we are here on desktop. Okay, so suppose, all right, so there are multiple folders already there. And if you want to create one folder on like there is cd is for change directory, and if you want to create one folder, you can directly write mkdir. This means make directory. This stands for make directory, and then just write a name of the folder. Suppose I am creating a folder for a book. Okay, mkdir book. Okay, so it's created a book folder. If you can see this, here it is. Yeah, is this created a book folder. By you can directly do it from terminal. And also if you want to create if you want to create any files in the books folder, you can do it. I will show you. And also before that, you need to switch into book. Okay, then the same command will do work for us. Cd, and then for folder name, like book, sorry, book. Okay, then we are here. You can also see and track these things, like where we are going right now. So, and also you can check it by pwd, like the present directory command. It will show you where you are right now. Okay, and then again click on ls. You can write ls to check is there any files or not. See, there are no files are showing, so we can also check it here, that is there any file or not. See, his folder is empty. Okay, so now what we do, we will create some files for you. Suppose to create file, we have a command that is touch, touch. Suppose if we want to create a chapter 1, suppose ch1.txt. Okay, all right, see here one chapter file is created, .txt. Okay, and you can also see that it's blank right now. There is nothing added here. You can also check out from here also. There is a command cat, then file name ch1.txt. Okay, so there is nothing written over here. So if you want to write anything, okay, you can directly type echo, and then if it's a string, suppose I am writing hello world, and then just closing it, and then the file name. What is the file? ch1.txt. Okay, so it's updated with hello world. Just to check that, you can directly click see cat ch1.txt. Then it's showing hello world. You can also check it from here. Sorry, just a second. All right, just a second. Yeah, you can see that here hello world is written over here. So like that, you can make the changes from the terminal only. And also, if you want to create or remove files, you can also do that. Suppose if you want to remove a file, just type rm, that is a removal command, and then type the file name, which file you want to delete. ch1.txt, there is a file, and it's automatically delete. Okay. So these are some simple commands, very basic commands. This command is only for the I can say that like
Excuse
for
me,
the files. Yeah.
sorry to
Hmm.
interrupt, but you can just put down your camera because it's lagging too much.
All right, great. Okay.
Yeah, thank
Let
you.
me know if it's fine right now. Okay. Yeah, cool.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine now. You can continue.
It's fine, right? Oh, okay, cool. Then, okay. This is the file removal process like RM and chapter 1. And also, again, I am creating one file, that is touch ch2.txt. Okay, that's to blank. Okay, and if you want to delete, this is the process for deleting ch1, removing file. And if you want to remove the folder, you can just type rm hyphen rf and then folder name. Suppose if I have any folder, okay, I am deleting the same folder which I have created, that is book. Sorry, it won't delete. Why? Anyone? Anyone? Like, it's still there. If you see, it's still here. Anyone in the audience? Okay, so no issues. Basically, we are in book folder, then how we are going to delete it? Yeah, cool. Great answer, Hemant. So basically, we need to shift back. That is the cd space dot dot. You will automatically go back to the previous directory. Okay, and if you want to go to home directory from where you started, just type cd and enter. And for going back to the previous directory, you have to type cd space dot dot. That's it. Okay, so now we are in desktop directory, and we need to write rm rf and the folder name, that is book. See, it's deleted. Okay, it's deleted. It's not here anymore. So we need that. So I am getting it back. To just get back that, we again need to create one. So anyone, can you tell me the command to get back that folder? Anyone? The command to create that folder. Yeah, mkdir, then book. Okay, cool. So we'll need this folder later on. I hope it's clear. It's very simple process. I don't want to, like, there are multiple commands, there are more commands in the Linux terminal, but these commands will be necessary needed to you while you are using Git or anything on Linux terminal. Okay, so these are some basic commands. I hope it's clear. So let's move. Okay, cool. Slides. So what is Git? So Git is a simply there are multiple you can get multiple answers on internet. There are more formal one, but I will just go with my own answers. There, like, GitHub is just a version control system where you can track your changes. You can back up your previous versions anytime. You can check the history, who worked for the features, or who checked and who did this thing. You can check everything, and you can also experiment. Like, if you want to add this feature but you are not sure that it will work for my project or for my app, but you can always experiment here. There will not be any issue if you know the Git properly. Okay, and then also you can collaborate with anyone and like anyone and everyone. Yeah, so you can collaborate with your friends, and that is the necessity of this hackathon. As this hackathon is our Hack4Bengal is online, so you need to collaborate with your team members, with your friends. So you will need Git and GitHub. It's a basic necessity for you. Okay, so for just to show you, like, don't take it very seriously for now. I will tell you everything, how it works and how it shows. Just it's a snapshot. Like, basically Git is a snapshot. Like, it will, whenever you commit, I will tell you what is commit and whatever thing is going on in this picture. But just to understand you right now, you just think like, if you have committed anything, if you have updated anything, and you asked Git to like take a snapshot or take a version of this particular, or like mark this checkpoint here till here you worked for this particular feature, you can just commit a change, and Git will store it as a snapshot, like a screenshot for your particular area, for a particular feature, a particular code. Okay, so this is the snapshot type. It will show you who is the author, when it is happened, like date, and what are the thing has been done. Okay, like the message of the commit, like it. I will show you everything. It's just to understand for now. Okay, so this is just a meme. I prefer the real version of real version control than Git, and I prefer real version. I said the real version control. So superversion is also a version control system, but that's from Apache and it's quite complicated, but that's fine. And if you check the perfection, then we also used files or folders. Like we still use folders if you want to share some code or if you want to do some changes. We use folders. Okay, so also, yeah, but from now, after learning Git and GitHub, you never going to use folders like this by changing names and putting it on your system. Okay, all right. So okay, before understanding Git properly, we'll just take a look here. This is just a mental model of Git workflow, like how Git works. There is a working directory, as I just told you. The directory where you are working, that is your folder, from where you will like make changes. And once you made the changes and you want it to send it to like another folder, that is repository. For now, just understand repository is another folder which is on cloud. Maybe you can understand by Google Drive. There is a file which is in your system and you want to send it to the Google Drive. Okay, that's cloud space. You will soon understand what is repository. Don't worry about it. Then after making the changes, you have added it to the staging area. So what is staging area? Like to understand, staging area is the place where after making changes, you will put the code or put your changes, and then after committing it will going to your Drive or Google Cloud, like Google Cloud or GitHub repository, I can say. Okay, so you will understand repository very soon, but before that, just understand staging area. It may be quite confusing, like where it's going, right? Like after adding the changes, after doing the changes, we can directly commit maybe, yeah, but we are doing it, and it's going to staging area. Why? So now let's understand this with a very simple example, that once you are in a mall, you will see that there are variety of product, or maybe supermarket, there are variety of product. You just you just need to pick up those which you required right now. Then you will take a cart and add those things. Okay, and after adding those things, you need to after adding those things, you need to take this cart and go to the counter for billing. But the products are still there in working directory, but you take only those which is required, right? That is called staging area. Staging area is the place where you will take those changes which is required. Okay, which is required to you, and necessities which is required, and you take those changes on staging area and then commit. After billing, you can take it home. Like after committing, it will going to your repository, wherever it is. Okay, like in GitHub. I hope it's clear. Let me just, okay. So before this, you will understand in the demo. Okay, like just tell me you understand this staging area or not. Anyone? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. What if we commit directly? Okay. How will you commit? Like Aparu. Basically, once you buy once you go to supermarket, you need to take take those products. Like at least if you are buying a single stuff, you need to take it on your hand, and then you need to go to bill counter. It won't happen that like bill counter directly get your know your product and directly give you the product, and you directly pay the amount. Okay. So just understand like this. You will understand more when I will show you in demo. Is there any more doubt around it? Okay, cool. Then just let me show you. So we are still here in the book directory. So suppose So basically, to initiate Git, okay, to initiate Git, like for now, there are multiple folders and multiple files in the GitHub, in our working directory or in our system. There are multiple files, but Git doesn't know that which files we need to work and which file we don't need to track. Okay, so to initiate tracking, when you want to track the when you want that Git should track your folder or project, you just need to write, like here is a command, that is git init. Like git init means git initialization, but we need to do it on the book folder, that is cd book, which we had created. Yeah, then git init, sorry, init. So what it do, like initialized empty git repository on this particular folder. What it does, like it will store your history or backup, whatever you do, it will track from now onwards. Okay, so suppose git like suppose right now, okay, just check desktop book. Oh, this is the folder. You can see this is empty, but there is a file that is hidden one, .git. Okay, this is the most important file. It will track your every changes. Okay, this is hidden every time, but yeah, it's there, always there. If you have initialized the git, it will be there. Okay, so now if you want to create a file, like same command, that is touch chapter1.txt, and also I'm creating chapter2.txt. Oh, sorry, it won't work because I have not put a touch. Okay, all right, so I have created two files here, you can see. Now git status, it will tell you like what is the status of your repository, of your git, like what is going on in your directory. So basically there is no commits. No commit means I have not committed or added any file, and these files are untracked. That's chapter 1. That's not how it works. Okay, Savan, can you tell me what you're exactly telling? Okay, we'll take questions later on. If you have any question, you can put it on chat, not an issue. Okay, so I was in the git status. So basically git status, like git status shows you where is the file right now, how it's going, and right now it's not yet added. It's untracked files, as it shows. It's untracked. For tracking it, you need to add it. Like this is where a staging area comes into play. Okay, you can't directly commit because it's not able to, git is not able to track it. You first need to add it. Okay, to adding it, while you are adding, just after adding it, it will go to the staging area. All right, so for adding it, you need to write git add and the file name. Suppose ch1, I need to add ch1.txt. okay, I need to add. So it's added. Right now we can see git status. So it shows that changes to be committed. It's not yet committed. It's to be committed, and but it's trackable now. Now git can track this file ch1, but I still untrack. Chapter2.txt is untracked. Okay. So to now to its like it's not yet committed. So to commit it, you need to write git commit. So right now it's in staging area. Okay. So I hope it's clear that what is staging area. Commit -m, that's a command for to commit. Now you need to write a valuable message, like so that you can understand later on if you want to switch back to this particular commit. Okay, so I'm committing it, added chapter 1 and scroll. Okay, so it shows like one file changed, 0 insertions and 0 deletions, create mode, that is the code. Okay, ch.txt, and now once we check git status, what it will show. So yeah, on master branch, it's just showing chapter2.txt as the like first chapter. ch1 is already added there. Okay, so now if you want to add that like ch2 like chapter2.txt, you need to add again git add and then file name. But suppose there are multiple files, there are hundreds of files which you have coded, and now you want to add it one by, and now you need to one by one, and now you need to add one by one. So it will become hectic for you, right? So for that you need to directly add all the files all together. Just put git add space and a dot. it will directly add all the files. If there is any file, multiple files, it will add, and if it's a single file, it will automatically add it. So then again, we can check git status. It's showing that it's added, but it's not yet like it's in staging portion. It's not yet committed. You just need to git commit, and as I told, you need to write a valid message like added h.2. Okay, chapter 2 is added in this book, and now if you check git status, it shows like nothing to commit. Working tree is clean. Okay, suppose just an example. Suppose I have like edit echo and then write hello world. Hello world on that that's chapter 1. Okay, so now I have updated a file that is hello that is chapter 1. Then what is git status? See, chapter 1 is modified but not yet committed, and it's added but not committed, you know. Like it's added, the file is added but it's modified now. Previously it shows that it's not yet added and it's a untracked files. Okay, but now it shows that it's modified. Extension is required creating file, and okay, I will take this question later on. Just a second. So basically it's a modified now. Okay, it's not a new file, so it's not an untracked, it's tracked, but this modification is not yet staged. Okay, so to stage it, we just need to add git add and simply a space. Done. And again, if you check git status, it's modified and also committed, also staged. And to commit it, you can directly commit git commit -m, and then write added a line in chapter 1. Cool. Okay, one file has been changed, one insertion. Now if we check git status, it will show working tree clean. The tree which we have worked is clean, totally clean. All right, so I hope it's clear to you all. So now if you have any doubt, tell me. Now I am open for questions if you have any question. Guys, you can unmute yourself. Volunteers, you can give the access to unmute them. I will wait for one more minute. Okay, so I will answer this question. .txt is extension required for creating this file, or it's just a file name you choose? So .txt I have used because I want to make it simple. Like .txt is a format where we can add text file. You can use .doc, you can use .ppt, .python, .py, .c, .cpp, whatever you want. Okay. Anyone? If you don't have any questions, so we can move. Okay, I hope this much is clear to you all. Like like there are only 3 commands I have discussed: git init, git add file, git commit, and nice message, and also a git status where you can check your status. Okay, so now let me just create another folder that is a Facebook clone. We'll create a Facebook clone. That's too in a very simple format, not in this. Just I will go to back cd and create mkdir. Also, if like you can't create a folder like this, Facebook and space, if you want to put space, you have to put it in a string. Okay, else if you want to keep it one word, you can just type git clone, because terminal do not understand space. Okay, yeah, Facebook clone. Now just change the directory to Facebook clone. All right, we are in Facebook clone. This is a clear command to clear the terminal. Okay, now simply desktop Facebook clone. Okay, folder is empty. We will create some folders like some file touch what like .txt touch set that You can understand this by like these things are feature of Facebook. We are creating all the features by files. Like I'm just for showing this for demo purpose. We are not coding right now. Share and what comment. Okay, comment txt. All right. There are 3 files we have created. So what is the command to initiate this? Like it's like Git is not tracking it, right? If we type git status, it will show fatal no git repository or any of the parent directories. .git is not found. So what should we write to track everything? Cool, good. I use Mandel. So we need to write get init to initialize git. Yeah, you can see .git is formed. So now again, if we check git status, it will show that these are untracked files. To track it, what should we write? Fast. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Git add. Okay, I use Mandel is right. Git add space a dot to add all the files at once. Okay, again git status. It's commit. It's like staged. It's added but not committed. To commit it, just commit git commit -m. Sorry. Minus stay like what initial commit. Initial commit. Okay, everything is committed. So if you check git status, it will show working tree is clean. Can we write git all? No, there is no command like this, I guess. Or if it's there, I don't know. Like no, I don't think there is command like this, Aparu. You have to write git add space dot. Cool. Okay, so like this, we have. I guess you understand now these 3 commands: git commit, git add, and git status. Will understand more commands very soon. Like for that I just want that you understand that git add, git status, git commit, and that what I told. Yeah, these are 3 commands. Git init. I hope you guys understand all these 3. Just give a yes in the chat. That's it. Yes. Cool. Okay, so now once I like suppose I go for washroom or somewhere, my cat has come and just type anything and do some changes here. There are some cases which we discuss here. Suppose a working tree was clean, as my working tree is clean here. So see, like the cat came and added some rubbish files, okay, and some garbage content. Suppose if we are here, we'll add some content. And this like this and this some things are added, okay, and just saved it and closed it. Okay, so some files has been modified, and also like there are multiple files which had been garbage by the cat. Okay, so just save it, and when I come I just check once git commit git status. Just a second. I will just check once git status. What is this? So I have seen that there are some chaos on the comment.txt. Like to check it, I just type cat and comment. If I can just check what is this. Like I am not able to understand. I have not added these things. How it's added? Okay. So to go back, like to suppose there are only 3 files right now. Suppose there are hundreds of files and 50 of them or 20 of them is modified, and I don't know where it is modified. There are 1,000 lines, so there were 1,000 lines of code. Okay, so I don't know what is modified here, but it's modified and it's not done by me, and it's a garbage code or garbage value which has been done put in there. So what we do? So there is a command called git checkout. So it will just undo everything which is before like before staging. Okay, once it's not yet staged, as it's not yet added. Okay, changes are not yet staged, here it's written. So we can just undo everything. Okay, we just need to write git checkout and space a dot. Okay, updated 2 paths from the index, and then you can just check once git status. It's clean. Again it's clean. So the cat is unlucky and we were able to recover our code base. Is it clear? So it's very simple. Git checkout space dot. So it will only work if your command if your code is not yet staged or it's not yet added. Okay, you can undo everything by just doing git checkout space dot. So next slide. So again a case 2 where like this time cat is planned to commit. She also committed it, and it adds Ravi's file and Ravi's content, and also do git add. She also added it. So what we do, and luckily I have come on time, so it's not able to commit it. Okay, she just added. She's planned to commit, but she's not able to commit because I have came. So just see. Suppose if there is any files, like there are some files, I am just adding it. Again, garbage values I am putting it. This should be done by my cat, but yeah, it's totally fine. Again, ding ding ding. All right, Control S, and also she created one folder file, that is okay. I've created touch. Let's see. Okay. I don't want this file, and also see git add. Okay, once I will come, I just check git status, and it shows like this file has been modified. Okay, but it's not yet committed, but it's staged. Okay, so git checkout won't work. This command will not work because I have already like she had already staged it. Okay, it's added. It's for staging. It's like for now git able to track this. Okay, so now to unstage it, how to unstage? If to unstage it, there is a command git reset and a hyphen hard and then head. Okay, head stands for the master branch where we are right now. Git reset hard then head. Okay, head is now to initial commit. So what it does, like it taken me to the first on the initial commit where we have last committed. Okay, it's not yet committed, it was just staged. It changes to be committed but not yet committed. So we have just undo this unstaged all the changes, like this changes was unstaged. See the files we have created, the garbage values we have added, there is nothing like that anymore. Okay, so yeah, it's just to unstage. This is the command to unstage everything. It will just take you to the last commit. Okay, the commit you have put it last. So there was a clean repository, like clean directed that time, and again it's a clean. Okay, there is nothing right now. There is no garbage values. I hope it's clear. This command is also clear to you. So this is the last case. So here in this case, she also committed. Okay, see the cat is also committed. So suppose she had added and also committed. Again I will put the files. Again I will add Travis things. Control S. Shit. No. Sorry. So I will just add 2 more files. Control S. Okay. So again I have updated 2 files. I will also git add space git commit git commit minus n. Again Ravi's message done. Okay, git status. The working tree is clean. Okay, so the working tree is clean. When I came, it shows me working tree is clean, but I can see there are some changes has been made here. So to check what are the changes made and what are the like my last commit, what was my, that is why it's always recommended that you need to use a valuable message while typing git commit message. Okay, so there is a command that is git log, which will show you the story, what has been done and what are the commits is done here in this file. So you can check. There is a commit by Manish Barnwal from. There was an initial commit which I had done earlier. If you remember, there is a timestamp also, and also right now it's a unauthorized commit. It's not done by me. It's done by cat. There is a rubbish thing, rubbish message is added, and earlier I had added initial commit only. So by on git log, you will able to check what are the changes done by other collaborators, what are the changes, or what are the lines, or what are the code bases modified by them, and also you will have a unique hash code from them. Okay, for every commit, whenever you commit, you will get a unique hash code. So if you want to move back to that particular commit, you just need to write that. Okay, there is a command git reset and hyphen hard, and then the hash code you want to move back. Okay, so basically this is the commit which is done by the cat, which is a rubbish commit, which I don't want to be there. So what we write, git reset hard, git reset hyphen hard, and then the hash code. Okay, you just need to copy this hash code, not this one, but this one where you want to go back. This was my last commit, where when I have gone before by doing this particular commit, and after that cat this done this particular rubbish commit. Okay, so to go back, I just need to paste it here, this particular hash code, git reset hyphen hard, and that hash code. Okay, so then enter. Head is now at the initial commit. It shows me that it's gone to again initial commit, and to just check it, you can just write git log, and see there are the only commit. You have just undone that particular task. The commit is already deleted. Okay, this particular commit is no more. I hope it's clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Like when you revert a commit, you feel like you are a Thanos and you can travel time. Okay, so now tell me if you have any doubt for this particular git thing. If you have anything to add or anything you want to tell me, anything, you can unmute or you can write it on chat, not an issue. Okay, there's no doubt. Am I audible, right? Volunteers, can you confirm? Just to check.
I just audible, Manish.
All right, cool. So there's no doubt. Okay, there's some message. Okay, yes. All right, I guess there's no doubt. Just give me a yes for there is no doubt. So, but how? I just want to know. Like, इतना जल्दी समझ आ गया सबको? Okay, cool. ठीक है. Then I will start with the branching part. Now this is the most important part. This screenshot is taken from the Silicon Valley. If you have watched, there are 4 friends who started the startup and all. So suppose they are working on the startup particular, and there is an original code base, and suppose Ricards want to make some changes or add some feature. He has its own copy, Ricard's copy of code base, and then then Eric's having his own copy, Griffel is having his own copy, Dinesh is having his own copy. So there are multiple copies. Okay, so there are 1,000 lines of code, and when they want to merge it, it will another challenge for them that they need to merge it. Now they have added multiple features in their own code base, and original code base is still same. Okay, so it's become hectic. So now if there is only 4 files or 3 files, it's totally fine. Or there are 100 lines of code, it's still fine. But when it's 1,000 lines of code, there are big organizations, there are multiple files, hundreds of files. So they are making changes in hundreds of files, and there are not only 4 friends, there are hundreds of employees who are working on this particular project, and they're making changes from maybe thousands of lines. Okay, so at that point of time, it's become very hectic to merge it and to know who done this and that, and when and where it will be going to be added. So there are lots of hectic things will going on. So for that, the branching concept comes into play. And how it exactly work? Suppose the main branch. Okay, this is the main and master branch, where everything is going on. like this is the main branch which is deployed for the like release, or I can say the update. This is the main branch, and someone wants to update, suppose there are XYZ person want to update a little feature. You he or she need to just create a branch, and it will create a copy from here. Here is a code, and it will create a copy from here, and he can make the changes. And someone from like the team who is maintaining this particular project, who check that if this branch or if this feature is valid and it's compatible for this particular project, it will going to merge here. Okay, it will going to merge in master branch. We'll show you everything, and like that only, in after 2 or 3 commits, there are some other person came and just he told, I want to add this particular feature, and he just created another branch for him, and just added few commits, like 1 to 3 commits. These dots are represented for commits, and if the maintainer want, he or she can merge it to the master branch. Master branch is the main branch where the project is exactly deployed, okay, for the users, where users can use it. Okay, so to understand it, I will just want to go to our folder which we had created, that is book. Okay, so here suppose there is a first chapter added, like chapter 1 is added, and here we had also committed that chapter 1 is added. Just go to cd book. Okay, cool. Now git log to check our last commits. Okay, so I had added chapter 1, chapter 2, and then there are 3 commits in total. So we had already added chapter 1 in main branch. This is the main branch. To check what is the branch, you just need to write git branch. Like it will tell you in which branch right now you are. Okay, so it's showing me master. Okay, we are in master branch right now. That is main branch. Okay, so we had added like it was the commit where we have added first first chapter, and then along with that we had also added chapter 2. If you remember, added chapter 2 here, right? So now to like that we can also create chapter 3. Suppose from what is the command to write create a file like chapter 3? Someone from audience just tell me, write it on chat. How to create chapter 3? Fast. Touch. This much is done. This much will work. Yeah. Okay. Cool, Hemant. ch3.txt. Okay. So it's created. If you check ls, there are 3 files now. Here it's created. So to add, what to write? How to commit it? Just fast. How to commit? I want it to be tracked by Google, by Git. Fast. Git add. Okay. Then, okay, both are right. Aparup and Hemant both are right. Okay, then git Aparup, here you are wrong. Just think of this. Git commit. Then, yeah, cool. Sorry. Git commit -n, and no, with that there will be a space. Wasim, there will be a space before after add. Okay, it's already added. We just need to write the commit message, git commit -m, and then you can write a valid message, like I have added chapter 3, so I'm writing it chapter 3. Okay, done. All right. I hope it's clear to you. Now it's added and also committed. If you check git status, you will be able to recognize that it's done. So working tree is clean for now. Yeah, no, it should be git commit -m, and then in string the message, whichever you want to put. Okay, so chapter 3 is also added here. And then suppose if you want like some other writer came, I have written till chapter 3. Some other writer came and wants to add another chapter for me, for my book. So I told him, okay, you just add, I will check. So to test, like it's a for experimental purpose, right? I have given him or her a chance to write a chapter for my book, but I'm not sure that he will write it perfectly. So write it perfectly. So I have given her a chance or him a chance. So what we do, like to do for doing that, we can't do it on our main branch as we are in main branch. So we can't like I can't take their chapter, his or her chapter, to my main book. Okay, right now, as I am not sure that he or she will able to do it. So what we do, so basically now now here from here get branch comes into play. Yeah, branching comes into play. We need to create a branch. So to create a branch, there is a command get. Give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Just a minute. Okay. Yeah. So for there is a command get checkout -b and the file and the branch name. Suppose I am doing it for like there is a branch name experiment commit 4. That is, I can write exp 4 full. Okay. We have switched to git experiment chapter 4 branch to check what in which branch right now I am. Git branch, just write git branch. You will see right now I am in experiment chapter 4 branch. Okay, so whatever changes we do here, suppose I have here, you can see there are only 3 chapters right now. Suppose I have created one chapter. Okay, touch chapter 4.txt. Okay, here a chapter 4 file is created. Okay, but you know, like it's only on chapter 4 experimental purpose experiment chapter 4 branch. It's not in master branch. To check that, so but before it we just need to commit it or add it. Also add it, git add get commit -m added chap ch4. Okay, done, it's added. So now we need to switch get checkout master. Okay, we switch to master branch, and you see right now we are in master branch and there are only 3 chapters and 4th chapter is not there. So whenever we create a branch, it will just create a copy of this particular main branch, and whatever changes we done in the particular branch, like in the experiment branch, it will not going to affect or reflect on this main branch. Okay, the master branch. So again, if you want to go to the previous branch, git checkout exp chapter 4. So we switched, and then again you see the files came. Like there are 4 files, and in master branch there are only 3 files. Is there any doubt here? So again, similarly, we can create a chapter 5 branch. We'll show you. Okay, let me just show that to you. Again, to create, can anyone tell me to create chapter 5 branch? What is the command? Fast. Clear. Fast. Hit checkout, then then it's not completed. I use git checkout -b. Cool. Sorry, but we need to write exp as it's experimental branch ch5. Cool. So right now I am in git check git branch. Just check how many branches are there. Right now there are 3 branches and we have 4 chapters because I have created another branch from chapter 4. If there's noise. Okay, so git branch. So if we want to add a file, touch chapter 5.txt. Cool. So now you see there are 5 chapters from now. So and then again we need to git add git commit -m And then chapter 5. Cool. So it's added and also committed. So now if we switch, get checkout master, get checkout master. Okay. So you can see this is already done. So yeah, so there are only 3 chapters. Still there are 3 chapters, but in experimental branches there are 5 chapters now. Okay, so okay, I just want to tell you, if you are following me and if you are if you are forgetting those commands, I am just sharing a resource that you can check parallelly. Where is that? Get cheat sheet is most you can put it handy. Here you will find all the commands which is available here: git status, git add file, git reset, git checkout. Okay, I hope it's clear. Okay, so now like right now it will look like this. Like I have committed 1 2 3 and there are 2 other commits, experiment 4 and 5, in the experimental branches. Okay, so it's not reflecting our main branch. So there are in main branch, as now we are in main branch, there are 3 chapters only. But suppose in chapter 4 I agreed that and also reviewed that chapter is for my book and it's valid for my book, so I want to merge it to my book. Okay, to my main branch and master branch. So what we do, we just need to write get. First we need to switch to master branch, and right now we are in master branch. We can just confirm it by get branch to check where we are. So we are in master branch. So to merge that, get merge and then what was that? Yeah, get merge and then search branch name 𝗏𝗏𝑐𝐻4. Okay, cool. So it's updated. So you can see chapter 4 is here in master branch now. Is it clear? Hello. So is there any doubt till here? I hope it's clear to you. So it's added, but still like suppose and chapter 5 I want to also add chapter 5. What is the command? What should be the command? And if we check get wait, first I need to check out to chapter 5. Sorry, exp. Okay, so now we are in chapter 5 and there are 5 chapters, and in main branch and only 4 chapters are there. So I want to add chapter 5 in main branch also. So what should be the command? Tell me, guys. Fast. So my question is, there are 5 chapters in experimental branch chapter experimental branch chapter 5, and I want to add all this chapter 5 in my main branch. What should be the command? Get merge branch. Okay, but before that, just see once. We are in chapter 5 branch. So can we merge it? What should we write? Get merge and then what? Get merge. Write the full command. Get merge master. Okay, cool. Already up to date. Okay, why? Why this? Like I have written the same you told me, like get merge master, but it's saying me it's already up to date. Anyone? Anyone want to put any logic? Whatever. You may be wrong, you may be right, not an issue. Here, as its main. Okay. So now what we need to do exactly? All right. So basically, to merge it, we first need to switch to master branch. Because we are branching from master, so we have everything from master in it. Because we are branching from master, so we have everything from master in it. No, Yeah, you can say this because every branch should merge in master. So you can't merge master and master, and if you are going to merge master and master, it's showing already up to date as it's already up to date. Okay, there's nothing to add. So this is a simple concept. Yeah, you can do that too. Git checkout master and git merge experiment chapter 5. Cool. But we will going simply. So git checkout, we'll do one by one. But this you are also right, Savan. Uh, Git checkout 𝗶𝗶𝘁𝗶5. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Already on. Okay. Cool. We need to go master. Yeah. Switch to master, and now we need to write git uh, git merge and 𝗶𝗶𝘁5. Cool. Now, if you check master branch, there are 5 chapters. All right. Now there is 5 chapters, and still git branch are available. Branch. There are 3 branch, and if you see that you have like updated everything and merged everything, and you don't want to give credit to the person, and you want to delete this particular branch, you can directly delete it. Okay. Git -d and then the branch name 𝐸XPCH4. Sorry. Okay, wait. Yeah, git branch. Now, okay. So this chapter 4 is deleted. If we check now git branch, it won't show us. Like chapter 4 is deleted. I hope it's clear. So, okay, it's main branch merging experiment. So I have already shown from book example. It's not required. Okay. So is there any doubt? Anyone? In this particular master branching thing? If there is any doubt, just ask me, because from after this we will move to GitHub. So this much in Git. There are more advanced concepts are there, but yeah, we'll take it till now. Not for now. Okay. Anyone else? Guys, speak up. Like you will here to learn. So if there is any doubt, you can freely ask me. I will wait for 1 minute. Anyone? Okay, guys. So I hope you understand. You all have understand everything which we had discussed here. Cool. So GitHub. So like what is GitHub? So GitHub is a space where like basically you can upload all the commands, all your codes and all your projects and work whatever you are doing on the GitHub, so that world can watch this. If you have put it in public, privacy mode is public, so everyone can watch it, and if anyone wants to contribute it in it, they will do. So yeah, GitHub is this platform where everything can be done. Even my operating system, which I am using right now, it's all about AutoCAD. Yeah, cool. So basically, the operating system that is Ubuntu 20.04 I am using right now. This is also an open source project that is also available on GitHub. You can directly, if you want to add any feature, you can update any change, whatever you want, you can update it and just contribute in their code, and the maintainers are there to accept your changes. Okay, so this is GitHub. This is the AutoCAD, which people are discussing in the chat. That is, I can say, like a character, a virtual character for GitHub. Mascot, I can say. Yeah. So let's start. Let's push and pull. We'll see how to push and how to pull here on the GitHub. So if whatever changes you have done on this particular project, on this particular folder or repository, you can say you can push it on the GitHub repository, so that any of your friend can collaborate, or anyone of you can do make changes for your friends or for yourself also. So we'll see how it works. Okay. So for that, I hope you all have a GitHub account. Give me a yes if you have, or if you want to create, you can create. I will give you 1 minute for this. Let me know. Okay, you all have a GitHub account. So I hope you have followed me till here. Just create a new and create a new repository. Just here, create a new. You can put any repository name. I can just write book. Okay, H4B books. Okay, just write it like this. You can put any name, whatever you want, and also they suggest some name. If you feel it's good for you, you can go with that too. And just you can, if you want to do public or private, it's totally up to you. You can do that. Okay, and then you can add readme if you want. You can add .getignore. You will learn about this later on, not but in this particular session. But yeah, choose a license if you want, but it's not required for me. Then just simply create repository. Okay. Okay, this is how it shows. As you know, we have like our book is already updated and also merged. So what we do, like to add it on this particular repository, as it's blank for now, there's nothing. So to add it here, there is a command git remote add origin. Okay, so you just need to write, and then you need to copy its link. Like here is a link. So just copy this and then just write. Everyone, I hope my screen is visible to you. Okay, just write git remote. If by this you are adding a remote server, like remote repository, which you can call a I can say a directory that is on cloud, available on cloud. Yeah, you can also use SSH someone, but SSH is quite complex for setup. So I am not telling SSH, but yeah, you can always check it on. But yeah, it's very secured. I can say more secured than HTTPS. So if you want, you guys can check out on internet or YouTube. There are multiple tutorials are available. But yeah, today we are going with this particular HTTPS version only. Origin, git origin, and then simply write the URL, put the URL. You can just copy it from here. HTTPS, don't click on SSH. You can do, but it needs lots of setup. So better to go with HTTPS for now. Just enter. So now you can directly see, if you want to check what has been added here, git remote -v. So just to check what are the which repository added in your remote remote directory. So your local directory is connected to a remote directory from now. Okay, so now you can use push and fetch feature. Okay, like fetch is basically another form of pull, I can say, pull and push basically. So it's added. I hope you have done till here, everyone. Just give me a yes if you are following me till here. No one is doing, or everyone is doing very seriously so that they can't message or something like that. Yes, okay, only one. Yes, cool. All right, so yeah, so now yes to great. So now there's another command to push. Okay, get push -u origin master. Okay, I will tell you what is this command. Get push -u origin and master. Okay, so basically what does it represent? Get, there is a command to initiate get, and then push, we need to push the code whatever we have on this particular repository, and -u represent upstream, that is a remote server, and then origin master. Master is a branch. It tells us like we need to push it on master branch. Okay, just enter. Sorry, okay, the spelling of origin is very wrong. Sorry for that. Okay, enter. Now what happens? It added every files, like there were 5 or 4 files there. So it's added on this particular branch, the repository. So now if we refresh this particular repository, it will show us like this. Is that clear to you all? Do you have any doubt here? We have just pushed the local directory to our repository, that is a directory which is on cloud, I can say, where you guys can share your work. Yeah. Any doubt, guys? It was very simple, I must say. Any doubt? So whatever we worked on, like Git on our local system, we have just pushed on the repository. Give me a yes if you understand everything till now. So you can also see the messages, the commit messages we have added earlier. It's there. Okay, cool. All right. So now let's move to our next step. So this is our own machine and own directory where we worked. So now we will try to work on another directory from another project from another person maybe. Okay, cd cd command. Okay, so now there are some simple steps when you want to send a PR. Okay, we need to fork, clone, create new branch, push, and commit and push. Okay, so for doing that, we need, suppose we have this repository created for this particular session only. So everyone need to do this. Just click on fork button. I am clicking fork and copying it here. Okay, so just click on fork. I am just putting the URL. Someone from team can also do it, but yeah, I'm doing it. Okay, just click on this and fork this. That's it. Just click on fork button here in the top. Do it fast. It will. It won't take more than 10 seconds. Just click on fork button and it will show your name here. Name and then repository name, and the you are forked from. It will show you forked from my repository, the original repository. Okay. Let me know if you have already forked. Everyone, give me a yes. Okay, one yes. You have forked. All right, only one is following the hands-on session, or everyone is too busy to doing that. But the number is still 2. I forked and added PR already on this repo. Okay, yeah, I got one PR. I will show everyone like how it works. So basically, I will accept your PR, Hemant, right now only to show them. Cool. So I hope you all have forked it. Now you need to clone it. Okay. So how clone works? Just click on HTTPS and just click on code, and here you will find the URL, SSH, GitHub CLI, and then HTTPS. Okay. Just click on HTTPS and copy this link. Go to your directory where you want to clone it. I have a directory that is cd. Okay, I will do it on desktop only because I have there. Okay, there is a command git clone. What is git clone? After you fork, like clone is the term for cloning and copying the whole process or whole thing. So we are cloning and copying all the code base of this particular person. Once we forked, you can clone, and without without forking it, you can't clone. Okay, whether you can still you can still see the code, you can still copy it from here, but you can't clone. Okay, you can see the code, you can see the HTTPS link, you can see the SSH link, but you can't fork it, you can't clone it. Okay, to clone it, you have to fork it first. Okay, you just need to click on fork button and then copy your URLs. The URL should have your username. Okay, so after having it, just press get clone and the URL. That's it. So it will automatically clone your repository, and then you just need to move on cd and the directory h4b and press tab. Sorry, h4b, press tab. It will automatically move to your particular directory where you are going to work. So the directory where the projects are there, where the files are there. After putting ls, it will list down all the files you have in this particular directory. Okay. So till now everything is clear to you all. Hello everyone. Give me a yes. Okay, cool. Uh, okay, so now what we need to write, what we need to do exactly. Basically, for we had already cloned. We need to create a new branch for ourselves. Okay, so you can create any name, any branch name. So I am creating a branch. Get branch minus b, and this is also a task for you all. So everyone have to do this for particular session. It's a task. So activity, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. You have you will be given time for doing this. But yeah, get branch minus b, and then need to write a name. I am putting add Manish. Okay, sorry. Oh shit. Okay guys, sorry, it should be checkout. Checkout. Okay, get checkout, add Manish. There is a branch now. By add Manish, get branch. Oh, shit, what I'm writing. Branch. Okay. There are two branches now, and I switched to add Manish. But you can still find there are no branches here. There is only branch. This is the only branch in the master branch. Okay. So now what we need to do, as after creating a new branch, you have to commit. You need to commit the changes. You need to make some changes, which is given for given here. Just go to contributing.md, everyone. You will able to see git clone. Then after cloning it, create a branch. And after creating a branch, you need to make some necessary changes. Like here, I have added attendees and feedback. You need to write it like this: dash your name and your GitHub URL, and then your feedback, whatever you learn or whatever you did, and how did you enjoy it or not. Just put it, whatever you feel, you just put it there. Okay, this is a task. I am just copying it. To do it, you just need to write. Just open your maybe a text editor. So here I have one. Okay. Facebook account. Yeah, here it is. So to just go to readme.md. Yeah, it's showing me like this. Just click on enter and write your name, and then it's a markdown file. So just put this like, just use the same syntax, like same format. You need to write your name in square bracket, and in the first bracket you need to write your URL, and then just give a comma, and then give your feedback. Okay, whatever you feel, just give it. And also make sure that you are putting a hyphen and a space before everything, because it will add a bullet point. Okay, so let me just show you. So now I had made the changes. Just save it, Control S, and then close. So now if we check git status, sorry, git status, it will show me I have updated readme.md, but not yet not yet pushed, not yet committed, not yet added. So I just need to get add space dot, and then get commit -m added. As I told you, just write a good message. Added money. Okay, cool. It's inserted, shows me. And then now what we need to do, get push. Sorry, get push. I have not streamed. Get push minus u origin master. Set up remote origin master and everything up to date. Okay. Oh, sorry. Basically, you don't need to push it because it's your own repository, and it's already also committed. So I guess you don't need to push. Just a second. No, you need to push one. Remote branch. Hmm. Cool, cool, cool. Can anyone tell me what is the issue? Anyone? Anyone? If you noticed what I missed, fast guys. Cool. We need to add remote. Okay. We have not added the remote. Mm. Not remote. Basically, we need to like I have like written git push -u origin master, but we have to write that branch name. Okay. Our branch name is add Manish. Okay. Now it will work. So basically, it was not master, it was add Manish where we had made the changes. Okay, so it's now if we refresh the page, you will see there are two branches where there is nothing added, but in Manish branch, add Manish branch, here you will see my name which I have added, and the feedback I had put. Okay, so you need to write the branch name correctly, and I had put a master branch, so it was not working. It shows that it's already updated, or it's already up. Everything is up to date, but you need to write the correct branch. So yeah. So now after doing this, you just need to go contribute. Click on contribute. Open pull request, and it will show like this, like from. This is my base branch master, and then this is my this is branch right now where I had updated changes. So add Manish branch. I need to add this particular branch to the main repository which I had created earlier. So you can add a title and put a good description, but right now I'm not doing anything. You can put it so that the maintainer, if you are can you repeat the git remote thing? Okay, so basically 𝗚𝗏, okay, let me just complete this. I will repeat again. Okay, so just click on create pull request. So it's showing me like this to merge pull request, but it won't show you that you need to merge because this is my own repository, so it's showing me. I guess there are multiple people who created the pull request. Four pull request has been generated. Okay, I added my feedback. Okay, there was the first pull request by Hemant. I guess Hemant is here. He has updated. Like I can check the updates files he has changed. He has updated his name. It was great interacting with the repository, and then he has also updated some typo. I guess, yeah, fixed some typos, and I just need to click on merge pull request. Or also I can write. Also I can write the review, whatever I want from him, like whatever changes he need to do. So but for now it's perfect, so I have just merged it. Same goes for 𝗏𝗏𝗁, I guess. Okay, so 𝗏𝗏𝗁, what is the issue? Tell me, anyone from the class, like in the audience, tell me what's the issue. So Hemant's repository is added, but Hemant, you've done a mistake. That's a space. You don't need to give a space. Okay, guys, just make sure you are not giving the space. Everyone writing on the same line. Okay, everyone is writing on the same line. That's why this issue created, as told by Sawan, right? He's right. So I did on different. Okay. No, basically, I will tell you. Wait. You guys are doing a mistake. that is, you are creating a pull request from master to master. Okay, so don't do it. Don't do from master to master. You just need to create from like, what to say, not from master, but you need to create a own branch and then create a pull request to my master. Okay, you are doing it on master to master. That's why it's creating a mess. I hope it's clear. Is it? Battery, Bartik and Savan. That's why the conflict. Yeah, this is the reason why conflicting occurs. This is called merge conflicts. When we are working on the same project, on the same branch, and sending the pull request or committing the changes on the same file from the same branch, it will create merge conflicts when both are working on the same branch and same file altogether. Okay, I hope it's clear. So I will just consider this. You guys can update. I will take I need to take this because it's a part of task. If you complete, everyone who is present here, they should complete it. And a pull request is accepted by me. I will do it very soon. So you guys should send it by tonight, I can say, because then only you can able to participate in the quiz. And if you win, and we will deliver some swags to you. Yeah. Okay. So I hope it's clear. Fork, clone, new branch, commit, push, and pull request. This is you need to do when you are working on some other friend, working for some other friends, or working on some open source project. I will tell you what is open source very soon. And just moving back to Aparup's question, can you repeat just a second? Can you repeat the git remote thing? So Aparup, git remote will work when you are working on like a project where you have created your own repository, and right now you want to push your git push your local directory into a remote directory. Okay, so you just need to put this command where it is, just here. So you just need to git remote add origin and then the repository name. Okay, and then git push origin master, just simply push it. And okay, suppose, wait a second. I hope it's clear, Apur. If you're still facing any difficulty, let me know. I'm just updating for Hemant. So you can also update it from the browser also, as it's a markdown file. I will just update for Hemant. Okay. So now, let me tell you. So basically, if now I make some changes and want to update, it will show me a merge conflict. Okay, so for that, so whenever you want to do any changes, you first need to get pull it. Okay, get pull. Simply write get pull. Okay, it shows me get. Okay, cool. So right now I am in get branch. Right now I'm in add branch. That's why it's saying me like this. Okay, sorry. I'm creating a mess. I was working, the repository which I worked is here. It's from this particular ID, and okay, so cool. So whenever you are doing this, you just do one thing. Everyone who is facing merge conflicts, just put a command git pull. It will work for you. It's not working for me because I have cloned different repository. That is this one. So to do this, I need to again revamp everything. So I don't want that. So not an issue. You just write a command git pull. It will work for you. And then again make the changes from a different branch. I am repeating this from a different branch, and then push it. After pushing it, you can send a pull request. I will merge it. Okay, I hope it's clear. And whoever will add it, it will shown in my particular page. Okay, like this, it will show in this particular page whenever you add. Okay, whenever the pull request accepted, it will show in my website that you have added something. Cool. Is it clear to you all? Any doubt? Anyone? Okay, I hope there's no doubt. If you have any doubt, you can unmute yourself. Okay, is there any doubt? Okay, I guess there's no doubt. So just to recap everything. Okay, just a second. Okay, so just to recap everything. Let me tell you, like, if you want to contribute in code base of Hack4Bengal, for example, there is a Hack4Bengal code base, that is Hack4Bengal website. So where if you see a bug, what you have to do, you just need to check if you can fix it. If you can fix it, you just need to fork it. Okay, and then you need to create a branch from there. And after creating a branch, after forking it, you just need to clone it. And after cloning it, you need to create a branch. And then creating a branch, you need to made all the changes and then again push it. Okay. And then after pushing, you need to send a pull request, and someone from our team, after fixing the bugs, you can see here there was a bug, and after fixing the bug, you can send a pull request to Hack4Bengal from your code base. We will merge it, and yeah, now our website is bug free. That is how it will work. Okay, so it's a very simple process, but yeah. So now I want you to send that pull request, which we had already discussed. So every one of you, whoever is present here, take it as a task and just do it. It's very simple. If you still have any doubt, we are here after this session also, and also you can reach out to me on the Discord server. Someone from team just drop the link of Discord server, and in activity channel in Discord activity category, you will find a get queries section. You can put any doubt related to Git or GitHub. I will take it there from there only. Okay, so I hope it's clear. Now you find an interesting issue in the kernel and you submit a pull request, and your pull request is merged. It's just a meme. So here kernel shows that terminal which we had just used, that is Linux terminal. If you find some issues there and you submitted a pull request and it's merged, yeah, it's a next level feeling. And yeah, some good places you can try out. So after learning GitHub, you can obviously you can participate in Google Summer of Code, Major League Hacking Fellowship, Google Summer of Docs, Hacktoberfest, and then Linux mentorship program, that is LFX Menti, Hyperledger mentorship program, 𝒆𝒍𝒐 internship program, Girl Script Summer of Code, Redoc Summer of Code, Open Summer of Code, and then Outreachy. So you can participate in all of these programs. Links are given. I will share the PPT very soon on the same repository which we have given to you. So yeah, do participate. And if you have any doubt, you can always reach out to me. And now there is some resources I have given. Some GitHub cheat sheet, student developer pack. Yeah, this student developer pack is very important. Like every student should have this. So I request volunteers to put the link on the chat. I have already. So it's showing me like this, but you all should have maybe need to have a ID card, college ID card to get that, or a college email address to get this. Yeah, and also you can check out GitHub pages. That's also interesting interesting thing of GitHub. That's a special feature by GitHub. So I could take this particular session maybe later on, but yeah, it's a very interesting thing. You can also check out by yourself from internet. Now this time is for giveaway. There is a quiz contest taken by Kajal. So yeah, do participate. I am there after quiz also. So make sure you are not going to leave from here. Kajal, can you?
Yes, Manish. Thank you.
Yeah, you can take the quiz. I guess from my this much from my side.
Okay, thank you, Manish. Can you just stop sharing now? I'll be sharing my screen in a minute. Okay, so before we start the quiz, I want to explain you the flow of the quiz. First of all, I'll share a link in the chat box. you can go to that link, and if you are required, you will have to create your own account. That's a website called Quizzes. Then after that, I'll be waiting for another 2 to 3 minutes for everyone to join. Then I'll be sharing my screen and starting the quiz along with you all. Then I'll be showing the live leaderboard, and anyone, the top people who win the quiz will be getting t-shirts from GitHub. So let me just share the link first. Okay. You all can top 100. No top 100, not the top 100. I'll tell you the number later. First, join the quiz. Okay, wait. I guess this link has been. Wait, don't go there. Use this link. Okay, use this link. Yeah, sorry for that glitch. You can use this link now. Okay, I hope my screen is visible, Manish. Can you confirm?
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay, thank you. So you can see we already have 21 participants, 23. I'll be waiting till 6:45, so you all can join. I think the 𝗄𝗏𝘁4B is from our team. Just let me tell you one thing. Team members won't get anything. If you still want, you can continue with the this. The volunteers will. The volunteers will
Invalid game
get.
code? No, Aparup, it's working.
Yeah, the new link. Try the new link, or you can just enter this code 310189.
Oh, I guess we can start now.
Yeah. So I'm sorry.
There are 36. Everyone should participate, guys.
Yeah.
You will get a chance to win. Like, there are very less people, so competition is
Wait, I
also
guess
less.
rest are from the team.
No. A 36 is only participant, and then rest are team. Like, there are 60.
Okay, there is someone Shubham, not from H4B.
Wow.
You also won't get anything. Sorry.
Yeah. Learn from him. Yeah.
Should I start?
I guess, yeah, we should start.
Okay, so I'm starting the quiz.
Oh, we can't see the question, Kajal.
Yes, did you said something?
Yeah, I said like we can't see the question.
You can.
ओके 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 ओके, नहीं दिखाना ये।
आंसर्स नहीं दिखेगा, आंसर्स नहीं दिखेगा, सिर्फ
अच्छा,
क्वेश्चन दिखेगा।
लाइक सारे क्वेश्चन एक बार में वो लोग कर रहे हैं?
हाँ,
ओके कूल।
like 10 seconds for each. You can
great,
see
great.
Sneha Prasad is on top for now.
Oh my god.
Bartik on second. Who is A?
Yeah, I don't know.
You should have
वैलिड
a
नेम नहीं
better
रखने से
name.
भाई नहीं मिलेगा।
Why? How will we like identify you?
Nice. Exactly. चलो बार्टिक, ओके हेमंत, बार्टिक, स्नेहा। चलो गाइस, nice. Hemant Sharma on top. So it's easy. Like I have put all those questions.
नेहा का स्टार्टिंग में जोश था, अब चला गया जोश।
Panda is coming.
Don't call her by the real name.
Okay, Ankita, sorry.
No, the real name we gave her.
Okay, no.
Okay.
It's like fast finger first, right?
Yeah. Correct answer and the fastest one.
Okay. Aparup, oh, nice comeback. Again?
Is Panda searching it on Google or what?
She's doing correct answer, but lately. Oh.
Yeah.
Don't underestimate.
Okay, Hemant is on top for now. Let's wait for the others.
Yeah. Chalo guys.
Hey Panda, पक्का अच्छा नहीं, wrong हुआ.
हो गया क्या? She already got a T-shirt. No more for Ankita.
Oh no.
Yeah. She got one. GitHub T-shirt.
Oh,
Yeah.
from where?
Yeah. There is special case, you know.
Oh, I remember.
Yeah. Finally, XD. क्या है XD भाई?
Okay, Savan is on top for now.
चलो Savan and Hemant. Okay.
उसको अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ है.
हाँ अभी चल रहा है. अनिकेत सॉरी. चलो गाइस, क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग?
आधे लोग तो बीच में छोड़ दिए.
Top 10 please. ओ भाई इतना बजट नहीं है हमारा.
हाँ नहीं.
We can give stickers top 10, but yeah, but you need to go college.
Aditya came back. I think we should end it now. I can just take the screenshot of the top 10.
Yeah, cool. So basically ये top 10 को हम दे सकते हैं, but कैंपस आना पड़ेगा स्टिकर्स के लिए, और चीट शीट्स वगैरह जो है हमारे पास वो हम दे देंगे. But you need to come to campus.
Okay, I'm ending the quiz right now.
Yeah. अरे आंसर्स दिखा दो सबको.
So the first one is Savan, second one is Hemant, and third one is Aniket Das. Okay.
So we are giving away 2 T-shirts. So, okay. Both options are same. Wait a second.
रुको. Answers दिखाना नहीं, कहीं पे option same तो नहीं थे. कौन से question में?
Hello Kajal, what you have done?
What?
Question number 6.
Question number 6. कहाँ है?
Not 6.
अच्छा, first वाला.
हाँ ये क्या है काजल?
ओह.
मैंने ये नहीं दिया था बेटा.
नहीं, मैंने अलग किया था.
Nice.
That's why there are so many incorrect.
Exactly. ठीक है, तो इसको हम क्या हटा सकते हैं क्या?
I don't know. Wait, let me try. Let's just correct answer first वाला था. Yeah,
exactly. अरे उनको क्वेश्चन के आंसर दिखा दो.
So the first one was RM file name.
Yeah, it was correct.
Second one was git add.
Yeah.
15 players got it right. Third one was Third one was the multiple people can collaborate parallelly.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Okay.
How to check previous changes to the code? Yeah. कौन git status लिखा है यार? Git commit, git checkout. Nice. चलो कोई बात नहीं. How to create a test one branch from main branch? Git checkout -b test one. Good. ठीक है. Okay. What is the need to fork repository? Great. चलो. Please some tips on GitHub camp. Okay, I will share it at the end. Wait. Git remote add origin remote link. ठीक है चलो. What is Hack4Bengal? चलो ये 26 लोगों को पता था.
I want to meet this person. Coding competition.
Online workshop है. Hacking competition. Nice. Great. Okay.
Okay.
मेरा यूजरनेम सिर्फ 16 लोगों को पता है. क्या हो गया यार? मैंने
11 people were like Manish Kumar Barnwal.
हाँ चलो वो कुछ लगा देते कोई नहीं. मैं GitHub का यूजरनेम खोल के बैठा था.
अरे they also forked that repository.
Exactly. How was today's session? Okay, all the above. Nice. ये कब ऐड किया? मैंने तो 3 ऑप्शंस दिए थे.
अरे 3 ऑप्शंस में आंसर नहीं था.
अच्छा. ये क्या है? स्कैम हो गया इनके साथ. चलो कोई बात नहीं. It's fine. All right. Let me share it again, guys. Just a second. Don't leave. Okay.
Just a minute.
I hope my screen is visible. Okay, my screen is visible, right? So yeah, so there is just a feedback form. We want your feedback. I'm putting it on the link. Okay, just put it. And if you still have any doubt, you can tell me now, or you can always reach out to me on Discord server. There is a channel. Let me just check activities, GitHub queries. I will just drop the channel link so you guys could join. Just join this channel and let me know if you have any doubt and just tag me once. Okay, cool. So recording could be stopped now. Stream can be closed. Okay,